Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to drape the infinity drape. It looks kind of like the navy drape, but there's a little bit of a twist and it works especially well for saris like this one. Ones that are fluid, not stiff, and easier to drape. So let's get started. So before we start draping, we want to pleat the pallu, so let's do that. You want to just lay it over an ironing board, or you can use a table or a bed, just a bigger, wider, flat surface. And let's start pleating. So you just want to take the width that you'd like and pull, and then make your first pleat. And that's all you have to do. Okay, so once you have a few pleats and you're happy with them, you want to pin them together so you don't lose them, especially with a sari like this one where it's super slippery. You don't want to lose all your hard work. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pleats. I'm just going to pin them all together, and then you can continue pleating. And then once you're done pleating, you just put them all together and pin them, and you're almost done. Okay, now that I've got my pallu pleated, let's start draping. I'm wearing the birthday crop and the mauve Saree Silhouette from Bhuva.com. You want to make sure that your underskirt or your petticoat has a drawstring and an elastic so that it's comfortable for you to wear and it holds the drape in place. I found that if it doesn't have a drawstring, it's not going to hold it in place, and as you move, it will come undone. All right, so let's get started. You start it the same way you would with any navy drape. So you tuck in and wrap around once, and then you're gonna drop the rest of the sari and you're gonna go right to the end. And you're gonna bring it around your left hand and you're just gonna drop it in front like this, like that. I would say the length of your body is a pretty good length for what we're gonna do, and start pleating. You can check out my video on how I pleat and take these pleats. It's super easy and super quick once you get the hang of it. So you want to pleat until you have a little bit fabric hanging here. You don't want it to be too tight, and you're going to see why in a second. So I feel like this is a good amount of fabric to work with. And then what I'm going to do is stagger these pleats, take the pin from my pallu and pin these together. I still have the one pin that I had at the top of the shoulder, so worry not, my pleats are still intact. And I'm just gonna tuck this in. Actually, because I don't have much to tuck in, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pin the pleats to the skirt. And then just tuck in any extra fabric that you have here. And then we're good to go. So then this part, what you're gonna do, so I brought it over my shoulder like this. So you're gonna take this from the shoulder pleats, bring it around, bring it over this little space that we've made here, and pleat this. And tuck it in here. And the reason this is called the infinity drape is because you don't know where the sari ends and where it begins. It gives that beautiful, never-ending look to that pallu. And then what I'll do is unpin these. And that's it. You can add a belt, but I think it looks great on its own. So much for watching. I hope you guys try out this drape. It's perfect for when you want to wear a sari or you're a bridesmaid and you don't want to wear it in the navy drape, but you still want to look traditional and glammed up for the wedding. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.